In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MIDI to Cakewalk Next. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left inside any of your projects, click on Edit, and then click on Preferences at the bottom. From here, you want to switch from Audio to MIDI, which of course is the second tab over here, and you want to go ahead and select your default MIDI input for new tracks. So I'm just going to go and do all inputs over here, and make sure whenever you do this, you actually have your MIDI keyboard connected to your computer, so you have it plugged in via USB or whatever you're using. And then when you do this, you may also see another input over here which may pop up, but if it doesn't, you can just go to all inputs over here. Now when you've done this, of course, you want to go and create a new track. I'm going to go to Insert and then Create Instrument Track. I'm going to pick a random instrument and I'm going to click on Add. There we go. Now from here, you want to click on that specific track. You want to go to Inspect up top right, and then you want to go to where it says Routing, and you want to select the input, of course, your MIDI keyboard. So for example, if I select all inputs over here, I can just go and select my MIDI keyboard over here, which I connected, and then I'll be able to use it for that specific track just like that, okay? So that's how this works. That's how to connect MIDI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.